Okay, so we're with Sam. He's just completed our 6-week challenge, and he just wants to share with you what he's achieved in that time. So Sam, do you want to just tell him a little bit about where you started point when you started with us?
Yeah, so when I first started, I was sort of doing my own little bit of exercise at home, not very regularly, not eating very well, to be honest, either. A lot of sneaky and naughty food, snacking, and sort of since joining, I think starting weight was almost 112 kilos, but sort of got into more regular structured training here at Body Transformation Centre, team training as well as more private one-to-one training as well, which has really helped sort of show me new exercises and sort of really get my work rate up during the sessions as well, so really getting the sweat on and working the muscles hard. There's been a lot of fatigue after and recovery, but again they've helped me and taught me how to sort of aid my recovery better as well. Probably the biggest thing I've learned here though is one, sort of the accountability side, making sure that what I'm putting in my mouth, you know, you're a machine, you've got to sort of train hard, but the biggest part is your diet, and that's what I've got on point now in the last 6 weeks. So really feel like I've I know a lot more than I did in terms of macros and things like that. So I've been committed, not had a drop of alcohol for 6 weeks, which has made a big change, but it was a challenge. But yeah, all in all, I am 18 pounds down in the 6 weeks, so happy days. I've lost a few inches off my waist, and yeah, feeling a lot better. So thank you very much.
Okay, cool. And what's one thing or one way you would describe us as WIP that makes us unique to anything else you've done before?
One thing, that's a good question. So I'll probably say attention to detail for each individual. So you can work, there's lots of different people here, different ages, sizes, you know, and different knowledge-based starting points and what they know about exercise and diet, but you can work with all the individuals on a personal level. You've been able to do that with me as somebody who has played a lot of rugby, done a lot of training in their life. I've learnt loads in the last 6 weeks, more than I ever have. So yeah, I'd say that.
Good. Thanks, mate. Wonderful.
All right.
Cheers.